Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys could check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. This is coming from XZL UHF wireless microphone. Dynamic, stable and fast, clear voice, loud and sound, anti-howling, UHF transmission, long distance. Okay, let's see what's inside. Here we go. Wrapping off. Comes in a nice travel case. Take it on the road. There we go. And ooh, these are nice. Got the display there, push button, USB. Do some vlogs with this, podcast. Got all the cords right here. Got another thing there. And here's a transmitter, USB. I think it's remove this. Oops. Get the tape off. There we go. That's off. That's where the battery. Can you push it down? Ow. Broken nail. Oh no. There we go. We got the battery right there. Come on. Hold on. And now we're good to go. Got a blue light go. And here's the other mic. Really nice mic, so you have to move, oops, to remove the tab off the screen. It's a definitely nice wireless. Make sure it's nice and tight. Turn it on. Whoa. Test. Channel 168. Hello. So definitely check these guys out. Just gotta plug that in. USB. Let me see what I can do here. I don't think I have the right equipment at home. I'm not a rapper, but I know a lot of them. And here we go. I have no idea. But definitely check them out. You got everything included with this little. Oh, you got these just in case you need to do an interview. Got the filter. So I gotta put it on. It's like a little hat for your microphone. But this would be good for a lot of interviews. A lot of people still use these. Bada boom. Hello, hello. So, if you're looking for mics, XZL is the spot to go. All you gotta do is click the link down below. And you guys have a good weekend. Be safe and take it easy.